Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for a severe weather outlook for the 2015 season, and I've on here different locations for where you're going to see the chances of more tornadic storms and severe weather. Well, you can see right here, down here in the what we call Dixie Alley, is going to be a March, April, May time frame. Usually when we have these neutral to weak El Nino time frames, we do seem to get more in the way of tornadoes in the Dixie Alley area versus a later start out in the Midwest. But the Midwest, they're gonna break this in a couple things. April, May, June. I'm gonna say, yeah, we're gonna have some tornadoes. It's not gonna be more active per se. We're gonna have a normal to maybe slightly below normal tornado season for the Midwest and the Tornado Alley area, based on the ENSO's view of what happens when there's a lot of neutral or weak El Nino. You normally do see less in the way of tornadoes. Doesn't mean there's going to be no violent tornadoes, because obviously El Nino and other things of that matter, we've seen decent tornadoes occur during that time frame. It will shift to the north towards the late May and June, into the areas that you would normally see that occur. Active severe weather derechos sometimes are also stuff that can come out of your severe weather events when we get a nice high pressure block. So we have to watch that. It seems like when the ENSO is the way it is, we can sometimes get that. And then I said May, June, September, October. Yeah. Your other area, North Carolina, South Carolina, up through Virginia. We're going to see the severe weather season. Like I can say last season we had a great amount of wall clouds and a few funnel clouds. So it gets pretty active, especially late May, early June time frame, and then again in fall with transitional periods. So overall, we're not going to see very many, massive amounts of tornadoes. The severe weather outlook call would say normal, somewhere between slightly below normal to slightly above normal, but because it's a transitional ENSO year. So we'll keep an eye on it and update as needed. But because we don't have the amount of tornadoes, a whole lot of tornadoes, doesn't mean we can't have deadly ones. So make sure you have your severe weather stuff in order. Make sure you know what to do in case of a tornado, in case of severe weather. And we'll keep you updated here at Live Weather Blogs and the Weather Pros. Dean Davison, meteorologist, senior meteorologist, liveweatherblogs.com, the Weather Pros. I'm also the severe weather specialist. Have a great day.